I want to talk to you about the, it's a great rendering there. Talk to you about the Intuit Partner Platform. In short, is the fastest way to be able to build SaaS applications and deploy them out to customers. And it's the easiest way then for customers to buy those applications and discover and then use those. I want to kind of set up a little bit of describe the problem that we believe we're solving for our customers, and maybe you can relate to this, is that you may be using SaaS applications from a number of different vendors, something like a CRM app, maybe finance and project management, and they are kind of the best kinds of applications that you found in the market that does the job that you need it to. A problem exists, a fairly significant one, is that if you're trying to have workflows work across these different applications and the data that's there, you're really left to do that integration. They may have some APIs, but you as a small business is effectively having to solve the problem to do the data integration and the workflow integration, as well as having multiple different logins for each of these different applications, and then the way that you invite users inside of your company or in your partners or your customers to be able to then access these applications. What's happened is that there are these great applications that each have their own schemas, their own ways of working, but there's no glue. And fundamentally, what the Intuit Partner Platform is providing both for developers and for customers is this idea of a common data model. Inside of QuickBooks, there's 4 million small business customers using QuickBooks Desktop today that effectively have this notion of a common data model. We've exposed that through the web services and the platform so that applications from Intuit as well as third-party applications can be accessed through an app center. So you come along as a customer, you buy an application, it's working inside of your browser. If you happen to be a QuickBooks customer as well, then that data is also going to be not just reflected inside of QuickBooks, but also across all the applications that you're subscribing to in that marketplace. We launched officially around October with QuickBooks 2010, where App Center is embedded inside of QuickBooks 2010, and later in the summer we'll be doing the same with QuickBooks Online. And we've had about 150,000 new registered customers come onto the platform and subscribe to applications and using these applications since we launched. And we've got both Intuit's own line offerings that are coming online, these are live today, as well as third-party applications that do a number of different functions for the small business. The overall idea here is that you have a bunch of applications that are working together in an ecosystem. These are Intuit applications, third-party applications that are either built on the platform, so we call native, and using our various different platform as a service services, or you can federate an existing application. So you imagine somebody like Vertical Response providing email marketing solution. They exist. It's a great website. They don't want to write millions of lines of code. And so what we've done is provided a federated model to take existing SaaS providers and then for those applications to work inside of this ecosystem, programming against the data, leveraging the data that's inside of QuickBooks. So both the folks at the back office are getting what they want in terms of valuable financial information, staying up to speed, but also the front office folks who are able to use apps that are just different and decoupled in their mind away from QuickBooks. And this allows a small business now to be able to run these different applications and for the data to remain in sync. So with that, I'm going to cut 30 seconds short and make sure that we've got enough time for the next one. Thank you.
One question?
With this platform, does Intuit handle, like, if an application is deployed to this platform, do they handle scaling for load if a lot of people are using that?
No, if you're federated, you're using your own cloud, your own resources, your own managed environment. If you're building the app on our cloud, we handle all of that for you. Okay. So it's up to you and what your needs are.